In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up BloxLink on Discord. Fast guide. We'll walk through everything you need to do to get BloxLink into your server, verify your Roblox account, and start using the basic features. Follow along step by step, and feel free to pause the video as you go. First, open Discord on your computer or in your browser, and make sure you're logged into the account that has permission to manage the server you want to use. You'll need to either own the server or have the managed server permission to add bots like BloxLink. Next, open a new browser tab and search for BloxLink bot. Click the official BloxLink website. On the home page, look for a button that says something like Add to Discord or Invite. Click that, and Discord will open an authorization page. Here, choose the server where you want to install BloxLink from the drop-down menu. Double-check you're selecting the correct server, then click Continue. You'll see a list of permissions that BloxLink is requesting. These allow the bot to manage roles, nicknames, and send messages. Leave these as they are, then click Authorize. Complete any CAPTCHA if it appears, and once that's done, BloxLink will be added to your server. Go back to Discord and open the server you just selected. You should see BloxLink appear in the member list on the right. Now you're ready to set it up. In any text channel where the bot is allowed to speak, type the basic help command, which is usually help or help, depending on how BloxLink is configured. If /commands are available, you can also type BloxLink and look through the suggestions. BloxLink will respond with a list of commands and a quick start guide. The most important step for new users is linking their Roblox account. In the channel, type the verify command, commonly verify or verify. BloxLink will send you instructions, either in the channel or in a direct message, explaining how to confirm your Roblox account. This usually involves joining a verification game or setting your Roblox profile status temporarily. Follow those instructions carefully until BloxLink confirms your account is linked. Once verified, your Discord nickname and roles can automatically sync with your Roblox username and group rank, depending on how your server owner configures it. At this point, BloxLink is installed, your account is verified, and you're ready to start exploring more advanced settings like role bindings and nickname formats, which you can find in the Help menu or on the BloxLink dashboard.